afternoon, students. Hope you are safe at home and getting the full benefit of online classes. Dear students, in the previous lecture, we discussed about the basis of classification, that is, how the animals are classified into different groups. You learnt that there are some fundamental characters on the basis of which the animal kingdom is classified into different groups. You studied that there are fundamental characters like level of organization, symmetry, germ layers, coelom, notochord, etc. etc. These are some of the basic fundamental characters on the basis of which the animals are classified into different groups. Today I am here with you to discuss how to draw the outline classification of the kingdom Animalia on the basis of these characters. So let us draw the outline classification of the kingdom Animalia, and please try to understand. The kingdom Animalia, it has two divisions, that is non-chordata and second is chordata. और बच्चों ये जो एनिमल किंगडम की ये जो डिविजन्स की गई हैं नॉन कॉर्डेटा और कॉर्डेटा में, इट इज़ बेस्ड ऑन द प्रेजेंस और एब्सेंस ऑफ नोटोकॉर्ड. तो इन नॉन कॉर्डेट्स नोटोकॉर्ड इज एब्सेंट, whereas in chordates notochord is present. तो ये chordates में notochord present होता है, whereas non chordates में notochord जो है वो absent होता है. This division non chordata, it has further a number of phyla, that is पोरिफरा, इसमें पोर बियरिंग एनिमल्स आते हैं जैसे कि स्पॉन्जिस हो गए, निडेरिया और सिलियंट्रेटा, टीनोफोरा, निडेरिया इसमें सिलियंट्रेटा में आता है, जैसे हाइड्रा हो गया, टीनोफोरा, प्लेटीहेलमिन्थिस, फ्लैटवर्म्स, एस्कीहेलमिन्थिस, राउंडवर्म्स, एनेलिडा जैसे अर्थवर्म हो गया, लीच, नेरीज एक्स्ट्रा, आर्थ्रोपोडा, इंसेक्ट्स, क्रस्टेशियंस एक्सेट्रा, मलस्का, शेल बियरिंग एनिमल्स जैसे स्नेल, इकाइनोडर्मेटा, इसमें स्टार फिश आती है, एंड हेमिकॉर्डेटा. तो ये जो 10 फाइला हैं, दीज कम अंडर द ग्रुप नॉन कॉर्डेटा. ये जो हेमिकॉर्डेटा है, इट इज़ कंसिडर्ड एज द कनेक्टिंग लिंक बिटवीन द कॉर्डेट्स and the non-chordates because it has few characteristics of chordates. Now come to the group chordata. The group chordata, it is further divided into 3 divisions. It has 3 phyla, you can say. First is Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and third is vertebrata. And this division is also made on the basis of notochord. In urochordates, notochord is present only in the tail region. ये सिर्फ tail region में होता है. notochord in urochordates में सिर्फ tail region में होता है. And in cephalochordates, it extends from head to tail. यानी नोटोकॉर्ड जो है हेड से लेके टेल तक प्रेजेंट होता है. एंड दीज आर द प्रोटोकॉर्डेट्स, दैट इज प्रिमिटिव कॉर्डेट्स. इन वर्टेब्रेट्स notochord is absent, that is it is replaced by a bony or cartilaginous vertebral column. ये नहीं है कि इसमें एब्सेंट है, बिल्कुल एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेजेस में प्रेजेंट होता है. इन वर्टेब्रेट्स जो नोटोकॉर्ड है दैट इज प्रेजेंट ओनली इन द एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेजेस एंड इन द एडल्ट स्टेजेस इट इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय vertebral column. That is why we can say that all the vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Now this vertebrata has further two divisions. It has two divisions, that is agnatha and second is gnathostomes. तो बच्चों ये जो डिवीजन वर्टेब्रेटा ग्रुप की जो डिवीजन की गई है दो हिस्सों में, एग्नेथा और gnathostomes, it is on the basis of jaws. In agnathostomes, jaws are absent, that is these are jawless, whereas in gnathostomes they bear jaws. In the agnatha group, it includes only one class, that is cyclostomata. We can say that these are fish-like creatures without jaws. These cyclostomes, these are exclusively marine, but they come to the fresh water, they migrate to the fresh water only for spawning. And a few weeks after spawning, these creatures die and their larva then metamorphoses into adult and then migrate again to the sea water. The gnathostomes, it has further two divisions. It has two superclasses. First is Pisces and second is Tetrapoda. And this division is made on the basis of locomotory organs. In Pisces, the locomotory organs are fins. In Pisces, there are fins as locomotory organs, and in tetrapods, limbs are present as locomotory organs, that is hind limbs and forelimbs. Pisces आपको पता है इसमें क्या आती है, fishes, and the super class, these are the super classes. The super class Pisces is further divided into two classes. First is Chondrichthyes, are cartilaginous fishes, and second is Osteichthyes, are bony fishes. Now the class Tetrapoda, superclass Tetrapoda, it has further four classes. First is Amphibia, second is Reptilia, third is Aves, and fourth class is Mammalia. तो बच्चों आपने देखा कि on the basis of these fundamental characters, how the animal kingdom is divided into different groups. In the next lesson, in the next lecture, we will study all these phyla and classes one by one, along with their characteristics and examples. Thank you.